Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, it is a What I Eat in a Day collaboration hosted by Miss Wanda from Miss Wanda, and you guys can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All. Both of those links will be in my description box down below. I'm the co-host C'Aira, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day, and the playlist will be linked in my description box down below, so check it out after you finish this video. It's already 8:03 and I'm a little bit behind on getting some breakfast in. I have been up for roughly about an hour. Normally I'm always on the go because I'm a teacher, so I take things with me on the go, but as it is summer break officially, I'm able to sit down and have breakfast at home. So before I get started making my breakfast, because clearly I didn't think about it last night to do my overnight chia seed pudding that would go with my yogurt, I have it now where I have my chia seeds and then I have my almond milk. This is unsweetened vanilla. And so what I need to do is I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of the chia seeds and then add half a cup of this. So I'm going to do 1 whole cup of the almond milk, and then that means that I need 4 teaspoons of the chia seeds, and this is gonna go later with yogurt and some fresh strawberries. The good thing about it is that it only takes a couple hours to make, so that's the reason why I couldn't have it this morning for breakfast, which is cool. I'll find something else. So yeah, let me go show you guys what I'm getting into for breakfast.
Look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They're sitting up with me, alright. Wish all they looking at me. She want me to slide for the flame.
This morning, and of course I can't make up my mind the one day that I actually get to have the chance to sit here at home and eat. So this week at the grocery store I did buy the little Eggo Minis cinnamon toast. These are my favorite, or I will tend to have some type of biscuit. I think I'm gonna make me a bacon, egg, and cheese. Y'all, I'm so used to bacon, egg, and cheese that recently I started doing sausage, egg, and cheese just to give myself a variety. So I'm gonna do the sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich, and then I'm probably gonna make me one of my famous things, my Javy iced coffee. So I think I need to pull this one out because I think my other ones either ran out or I need to.
She want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start.
So I think I'm trying to shop early for the kids while I'm home, and I can shop on TEMU. I don't know. My kids are so picky when it comes to clothes that I'm looking. Oh yeah. The code for Javy is down in my description box down below. C'Aira 48906. Use it to get you some. I'm telling you. Got my good old sausage biscuit. Don't need no jelly or nothing like that. Honestly, I really wanted to leave out and go get me some bow rounds and an egg and cheese biscuit from Bojangles, but I literally just saved myself less than $10 going out. You get me? They got some really cute girl sets. My whole thing is I want to make sure, you know, that she likes this stuff. So if you guys haven't already ordered from TEMU, the code is in my description box down below. Just use the link and use off $89.89 to get a certain amount off of your first order if you are a new user to TEMU. So I'm looking at items like she would love this. Literally, she would love this. Okay, y'all, so the time now is 1:04. Getting a little hungry, but anyways, for lunch I am going to be making tacos. It's been a while since we've had tacos. It's been like 2 weeks, and I try to like space it out over time just because not everybody really likes tacos, but it is what it is. So I got mild cheddar cheese, tomato I have to slice up real quick, shredded lettuce. You guys seen that I had the nacho cheese. I got my meat thawing out, or thawed out over here. I just need to go ahead and make it real quick, which reminds me to grab out one of these. I like grabbing these 4-packs just because I can make it 4 times. So just need to grab one out, get ready to get this meat together, and then turn the oven on real quick to heat up the shells. Okay, so now that my meat is basically done and my oven has heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and toss those shells in for the 6 minutes like I'm supposed to. And then I'm gonna keep a check on my meat and get ready to slice up this tomato. Totally just looked at my watch and realized that today is Tuesday, June 13th, and I'm making tacos. It's Taco Tuesday. So, didn't even realize that, but I'm glad I did it because it's been a while since I've actually done a Taco Tuesday. So my meat is basically heating up. I want to keep that nice and hot. I have about a minute left on my tacos. Yeah, normally I don't make tacos during the week, but considering that it's summer break for me, I'm able to do that, thankfully, and I did it during the daytime. So I'll get back to you guys once my food is done. Okay, so now that my food is done, I'm gonna sit down and get ready to eat my 2 tacos. For drink, I did grab the dragon fruit berry low calorie 0 sugar added drink. It literally just has like coconut water and then juices from like dragon fruit, raspberries. That's it, y'all. So enjoy my food. I love it when that sauce hits the bottom and makes it moist. Like that. Alright, so it's almost 3:58. I think I want to do my snack now, so I'm gonna make something that's like super high in protein, healthy fats, omegas, and is definitely beyond delicious. It's also a vegan option if you use plant-based yogurt, and it's gluten-free. So I am going to have this quick snack. So I am using the Light and Fit Greek vanilla yogurt. I'm going to end up putting this into a bowl along with some cut up strawberries and the chia pudding that I created earlier.
Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to take.
So yeah, this is getting ready to be my little snack, and for dinner I think we're just gonna do pizza and fries. Okay, so for dinner this night, I decided to cook pizza and fries. This is just one of those quick pizza kits that you guys can get from Kroger for 89 cents. All you have to do is add half a cup of hot tap water, and then once you mix it up, you will just put 1 teaspoon of like olive oil or vegetable oil over it and let it sit for 5 or more minutes. This just kind of helps the dough to get ready. Then I'm just going to go ahead and throw some pizza sauce on it, some cheese, toss it in the oven, and get ready to plate up the food. Okay, so it is now 7:51, and I do have a summer treat to share with you all. You guys can pick this up from Five Below. It is literally like, I think $4, but you also can get it if you guys have a Roses. This is the Carnival Funnel Cake Pitcher and Mix. So what you'll need is cooking oil, measuring cup, 3-inch deep frying pan, and then 2 quarts mixing bowl and some metal tongs, and it makes 8 to 10 cakes. So I have powdered sugar already. You can top it with whipped cream, fresh fruit, or shaved chocolate, or put things like spread preserves, jams, jellies, or heavy syrups. I just like powdered sugar on mine. So because it's almost 8 o'clock, I'm gonna get this going, get the mix together, show you guys real quick. I love how this recipe that already is mixed up only asks for you to add 1 1/3 cup of water to this mixture. No eggs included, none of that needed. So I went ahead and just got the grease in the pan nice and hot, mixed up my batter, shook it up before I put it in. Gonna go ahead and fry it and get ready to make a funnel cake. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching today's What I Eat in a Day upload. I also hope that you enjoy my summer treat, and be sure to go get you one from Five Below or Roses or wherever it is that you've seen one before. You also can order these as well as make it yourself. If you would like to make it yourself, I was nice enough to put a recipe down in the description box down below, along with the playlist that you guys should go and check out to see everyone else's What I Eat in a Day along with the summer treat. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's upload. I know that I like confection sugar on my funnel cakes, and I hope that you all try this and put whatever toppings you would like. I'm going to sit back and enjoy this funnel cake tonight and get ready to go to bed soon. I hope that you all have a great night.